Hi guys, this is the Jikokoa Xtra charcoal stove for a lot of people who have been asking for the original one, and there's a lot of ways to know which one is the original. So you can see what the box looks like. So this is the Jikokoa Xtra. This is the medium size. It's the family size. It's the Kenya highest selling, largest, lasting, and the biggest this thing. So you can see it's energy saving, and for every Jikokoa there is always a serial number. This is the serial number of this. So these are ways to first know if you are buying Jikokoa, and most of the original one do not come in any other languages. Where you have some where they write French or NIT, it comes simply in English. So it's made by Bond Manufacturing. So you see only Bond makes Jikokoa, and it's usually sealed like this. Usually sealed, except if you want to test it for customers. So I'll unbox it now so that you see what it looks like. It comes in pack like this. So this is it. Only Bond has 1 year warranty on all the components. So let's say it comes with a manual of how to use it, but of course it's easy to use. So look at it, quite beautiful, handy, and you can see what it looks like. So I'll show you what the inside looks like now. So you can see the inlet. There is a net here where you can put the charcoal. So you can see it doesn't rust like many other brands, especially local ones. So it's made of ceramic fiber. So look like it. Look at it. It looks quite beautiful. You can move it from one end to another. You can put it beside your zinc, probably your tabletop in your kitchen. And this is the inlet, the drawer. So this is where the residue or the ashes coming from the charcoal that is burning will be dropping into. So you can pour them out. This drawer has two purposes, apart from just being a container for the residue of the ashes. It can also play a role. That's a way of controlling how it will burn. And if you want it to burn slowly, you just close it. If you want it to burn faster, you open it like this. So if you want to set it up, there's a way to set it up. Just put the charcoal here. Put the charcoal here. You get a paper like this. Fold it like this. Some use kerosene, but I will not advise you to use kerosene because it might not let the material to last as much as you want. So once you pull this like this, you just ignite the matches and you drop it like this. Then you get another one, drop, get another one, drop, drop like that. And this thing will be, be burning. And in about a few minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, you're already done, and you can easily put your stove on it. So this is the Jikokoa Xtra. This is the family size. And if you need one, we have a store in Lagos, we have in Abuja, and Osun State, in Leife, we have in Ibadan. So just get across to us, we'll get it to you. So like I said, it comes with serial number. So this is it. This one is ECYCZB. So that's it.